गाइस वेलकम बैक। अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं एज ए होमवर्क जो हमने दिया था। सो दिस विल बी द नेक्स्ट लेवल। सो आई सिंपली कॉपीड इट जो हमने पहले बनाया था। आई विल जस्ट सिंपली कॉपीड इट। कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल भी चलता है यहाँ पे। सो लाइक अब हमें करना क्या है एक्चुअली। टारगेट इज जैसा मैंने हिंट दिया था, अगर कोई नंबर ऑलरेडी एडेड है यहाँ पे तो वो हमें ऐड नहीं करना है। ये सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट था, बट हम वो चेक कैसे करेंगे? तो उसके लिए लाइक वी विल यूज वन कंसेप्ट विच इज द लिस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस। ओके, सो मुझे एक्चुअली ये जो इनपुट दिया था हमने, इसी को लाइक हाउ आई विल कन्वर्ट इट, एक्चुअली मैं आपको भी करके बताता हूँ। ओके, आई विल सिंपली मेक इट एज ए flatten actually. I will make it as a flatten. So I will simply say res equals to, and I will simply run a loop like for z in result. This is first. Okay, and then I have to like for z in, so this will give you one element at a time. Now I have to run one more loop for z in z. So this will fetch individual element. Okay, it is. So this loop will get you this element at a time, and this loop will give you one element. So I will put this zz in another list. So this will flatten the list actually. Okay, and after that I will check again. So if that value x which I am going to add actually is not in res, which is a flattened list actually, then I will simply append it to the list. Otherwise, I won't. So this is a small trick here. Okay, I will explain it, and I will like give you a try run for this one. Look at that. If I give you 12 here, this time I will get this one. So why this happens and why I want to get this one actually? So this is because of here. Let me put it here actually. So I have initially I have that. Why not? We will put it res as a display actually. That will be good. Look at that. Yeah, that will be nice. So I will say res, print res. So it will print it here actually. So if I say 12, look at that. So initially I have 112 that will be added 112, but when I flattened it, it will be a single element. Then I added 2 6. Okay, and then it will get flattened here actually. So in this loop, what I am doing actually, if that x which is I am checking, it is not in res is this one actually. If it is not in res, then only it will append. That is a small trick here. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, hold on. If you don't understand, drop me a comment. I will try to like get your doubts clear actually. So what about the next homework actually? So now, can you get me the prime factors only? That is the file name actually. So next homework is get me only the prime factors of a number actually. Get me the prime factors of that number. So if I give you 12, it will be 2, then 2, and then 3. That will be your next homework. Okay guys, thank you. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep yourself busy in something. Yeah. Nice and constructive only. Okay, thank you.